What could be caught though?
Maybe. I agree with your approach there, Tim.
I'm not sure if you can get enough movement to snap the tab off, though.
I don't think it's the tab that's holding it. The tab is not engaged.
It's definitely not engaged now because I suspect the metal bits are.
There's some. I don't know what's caught on.
Do you have a warranty on this device?
Yes.
Shall we just stop and make Lenovo come and replace the jack?
Yeah. Didn't your parents ever teach you to shoot video in landscape rather than portrait? Well, we could hollow out the thing and then take it out piecemeal. Does anyone have a drill here?
Ow!
I can't imagine what's... No.